Hi, my name is Hiccup. Welcome to my channel. I am on a diet to gain weight, but I have medical issues that make it hard. First off, being I've had a subtotal gastrectomy, which means they removed most of my stomach. And secondly, oh gosh, I'm spacing out, but I get pain essentially. I had a lot of pain and I don't feel hunger anymore. So sometimes I forget to eat. Today I haven't really been doing good. I've been throwing up a little bit, so I've been afraid to eat because of that. But I just realized it's like 7 p.m. and I haven't eaten anything yet. So I am eating a protein bar. And that'll be it for now. Today was a really off day for me. It's getting late and I really didn't eat that much. So tomorrow's a new day though. Tomorrow's a new day. So you may or may not have noticed that I didn't upload last night. There wasn't much to upload at all. And I've been having some issues with my stomach. Right now I'm facing either going in or trying to tough it out. I've not been able to really take much in lately. So this is combining day 17 and 18. Of course, I start having trouble. Of course. And I bet you anything that on day 20 when I weigh myself, I'll probably have ended up losing weight again. I do have this powder protein instead of my milk that I like. I have my powder protein, which is like bulk up calorie stuff. I don't necessarily like the taste, but it's vitamins and calories, so I'm able to get that down. I apologize for not uploading last night. Things have been a little hectic for me. I really hope you guys are having a good day.